If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. If you've been here, welcome back. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back. It's your boy MoBey. This is the channel where you learn how to keep it locked, keep it healthy. If not, it's a guideline towards that. You know what I'm talking about? Today, we talking about starting your locks. Now, I made a video on starting locks. Of course, I talked about all the common methods. But some people, they use a towel or a rag to start this process. Now, with that being said, that is a free-form starting method for a free-form journey. You know what I'm talking about? Free-form. You don't want no conformity.
What?
You don't want any parts. No. You know what I'm talking about? You want natural parting, different size locks, you know, random assortment, you know, however the case may be. A lot of times people have the high top and they get this method started, or you have hair all the way around. It really don't matter. All curly hair types, medium curly, super curly. If you got straight ass hair, you probably not gonna get right with this method. Sorry. I'm truly sorry. If you got that curly hair, listen up. You got something nappy? It's cool. You good. Listen up. You take a towel, right? Or a rag. This is the microfiber. This is what I suggest. If you don't got a microfiber, get one of them dark towels or a towel close to your hair color. You got that fro. Hair about this long, this long, this long. It don't matter. It can be all that. As long as you got about this much length. You know what I'm talking about? If you got this much, it's going to start off looking like peas of peas. It's all good. That's just how it's going to be. Let it grow, let it rock. Do your thing non-stop. Hair gotta be wet, damp. Some people like to do it dry. You take the towel and either clockwise or counterclockwise, you gotta remember which motion that you do, your twisting, your rotations, and you start. You go from one side, you go like that. It'll retwist your too. Now you go like that, all the way around, till you're satisfied. Be in the mirror, keep it moving. You don't gotta do it too hard, don't do it too soft, but do it just right. Make sure you moving that hair around like it's supposed to be moved. You know what I'm talking about? As the hair gets longer, I'll say when the locks get about this long, you're not gonna need no towel no more. I mean, you can still do the towel if you want to. You may not need it. Just go ahead and let it do its thing. Free-form it all the way. Completion. Hopefully this was helpful in your journey. And until next time, it's your boy MoBey. Keep it locked, keep it healthy. Start them locks the way you want to start them locks. Do it the right way. Know what you're doing, know what you're getting yourself into. And until next time, keep it locked, keep it healthy. I'm out. Peace. You know what I'm talking about?